Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can disable the fast startup feature in a Windows 10 computer. So you have the fast startup feature activated in a Windows 10 computer. You don't want that feature activated. You're trying to disable that feature but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to disable the fast startup feature in your Windows 10 computer in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time. So the first thing you have to do is open your computer and go to the start menu. From the start menu, go into your settings. Once you go into settings, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is go into your system settings. Once you go into your system settings, you land on an interface like this. You'll be taken to the display settings. But what you'll need to do is go into the power and sleep settings from the left hand side list. So go into that settings. Once you go into the power and sleep settings, you land on an interface like this. Now from the right hand side list, what you want to do is select the additional power settings option. Once you do that, a new window like this will open. This is the control panel and hardware and sound settings. Now here what you want to do is simply choose the option label as choose what the power button does from the left hand side list of this interface. Once you do that, you land an interface like this. Now here you'll see the shutdown settings section, and the first option you'll see will be labeled as turn on fast startup. So to disable this feature, what you want to do is first tap on this change settings that are currently unavailable option if the options here are grayed out. So simply tap on that option, then the options will be available here. So to disable it, what you want to do is uncheck this box, then simply tap on the save changes button. Once you do that, you'll successfully disable the fast startup option in your Windows 10 computer. So those are the simple steps in order to disable the fast startup in your Windows 10 computer. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.